I'm gonna try a little bit of some classical pizza from Europe.
What country?
Right across from Italy in former Yugoslavia. That is where we learn. My father actually learned in the trade in Trieste. That's right over the border of former Yugoslavia in close to Italy, northern Italy. So he trained there, he brought it back to our country. We had a couple of restaurants and you know, we use a lot of this. You know, the dough is a little bit different. We did some tests. We call it, this is our kind of special family dough that was tested. We use like this is smoked beef. It's called actually, Chris, Pasterma. That's kind of what's called in our language. It's not a typical meat that is used in United States in pizza. At least I didn't see it really utilized. So I want to try how this works in the oven here. This is just mushrooms. You can again later on use variations. I still prefer to use the canned ones, but variations come from the taste. Just adding some fresh mozzarella here. Like I said, I'm gonna take Chris's peppers here and use it. You're gonna have to give credits to the ovens because it's really great oven. My experience, I'll use bigger ones, so this is really impressive. Okay, this dough is a little bit softer, so it really is, you have to be gentle with this dough. You cannot just play a lot with it, because it's gonna break. So you have to be careful. That's why I need to use the roller to open it, even though I can do it with hands also. But it's gentle. You cannot use too much force in it, not too much exhibition. See, like I said, it's almost 40 seconds and pizza is rising. It's just, this is amazing. I'm trying to get a little bit of hang on the oven as well. I like to add a little bit cheese in the end because it just gives a better visual look. After, you're just gonna melt it a little bit for a couple of seconds in the oven. Once you pull it, it just gives a nicer visual of the pizza, even though it's an extra move, but I'm willing to take it. And then the taste is gonna be there definitely. Careful, I just wanted to make it, the crust a bit softer, and also it's another visual that it gives a shine. That is why we want to really do this.
Very nice, beautiful. It tastes amazing. Very nice.
Thank you.
That's the idea. ilFornino. He's been a great guy to start with and very helpful. I'm very impressed for what he did here and for giving me the opportunity to try this. Oven seems to be excellent. The pizza is baking impressively fast and very good. Again, especially the challenge here was that I wasn't sure if my dough is going to work with this because a little bit variations than a typical pizza dough. But I just found out that actually The oven is great, and it's really receptive to what was I trying to do here and accomplish. The last time I used it was like a massive, like the wood was like massive. That too. Nice.
Guys, if the floor is too hot, you can cook you can cook your calzone with a screen. So the screen will actually act as a buffer between it and the floor.
Okay, this is it. I have to take
Calzone, let me see it here. Nice, nice, nice.